Hello everyone and welcome back here to Coffee Time. My name is Armin and here is Coffee Time as you know. And today is let's go there 20 December. I mean today is 20 December 2024, okay? And uh, today our video is a little bit different because I'm gonna film it with my phone and not screen record because after that I need to mix them, and that is really something that I don't like to do, to mix videos and that things. Okay, that's why I'm gonna record video here, and we want to talk about API. I mean, first of all, let me explain. This is just all about educational things, and I'm not gonna share any source code, and I never used it. I used it just one time here to see all my application works. And let me explain here. Today, I asked Mr. Musk to, can I have a free API key for free? I mean, and and actually I said I will pay us later if it's needed. But don't worry. Now the problem is here. You have to pay uh, for API keys or API access here in Twitter or X, basic 200 in month, and I can't afford it at the time. And why we need it? Because then we can make application. For example, if you follow videos here on my channel, you see we had here also a project which was actually an blockchain AI. Let me, for example, here it's report and just a reporter, a big transaction, but it was locally and I had no API key or access to Twitter. And now I want to talk about this. Can we make an application or a program? It doesn't matter in which language. In this case, I'm gonna for C sharp. Do we make an application without I mean, just for free, just like this? Okay, here is Twitter, and this is my account. Uh, what's the point here? We want to make a robot application which we can use instead of using API, Twitter API, or it doesn't, it's just not Twitter, just any other type of application. In this case, I've made a simple one to just to show how things here works, and the video here also has been sent to Twitter team to just for review and check it out, and if they can do anything about it, just do it. But here I'm not gonna show any source code or something. We just see how the things here works. Let me see. As you know, I'm web application developer, and and just not form or any other type of application. I make for myself if needed. Here, let me explain here about this page. Here we have a page with some buttons, some text input, some just buttons, search, everything. Here you see tabs. Okay, now I want I made a AI tool which analyzes the page here and makes a new post for me when it's needed. Okay, very simple. This is just a Windows console application, and this is .NET 8. And here we want to I want to just show you how the things here works. First of all, here we have a link, JSON one, and we have here access to important files to get coordinations, because here we talk about coordinations. Here we have a fixed for example button, here we have other fixed thing, here we have likes. These are in my screen. in this screen, these are fixed position. Okay, first we need to get positions here. This button has a position, for example X and Y, or this one also. After that we get this data. uh, we have here 4 methods. First of all, let me check. I'm gonna show you one method here, which is just a call send to Binance API. It's get BTC price and just its return price. Okay, I have just other method, which is perform mouse task async, because we need to move the mouse from a position to other position. After that, execute some things. And here just type the text, which is very easy, very simple. And now for this one, I need to run application first. Here is my mouse. Let me come back. Here is mouse. Okay, here is mouse, here is mouse. I'm gonna do this. I say I'm gonna run application. I'm coming here and I say this and mouse there. And now let's look at this. Is going to the post button. It's clicked myself. It's gonna call the database. It's gonna get the price and it's gonna post for me. Look at this. Amazing. And now this task execute every 4 seconds. And now let me close this one. And now look at this. Look at this. If I'm going to my posts here the last price 92,543. Amazing one. This is just the task here will be execute every 10 seconds, but here in this case is just to show. But for example, in our other application here, which gets, for example, large data or whale tracker, for example, transaction higher than some Bitcoin, we match it. Just call there. If there is any new transaction, just post it or just execute it. This is so simple. Actually, I never use it. This is just the only two posts which I made. The first one for test, and here is for my YouTube channel. I'm gonna remove these posts, and actually I have no plan to use like this, because I need just this is not okay. You know what to say. Not a right way to use it, because it's all about copyright and other legal things. I'm not gonna use it, but yeah, voila, this is how simple it is. And yeah, have a nice day. See you in the next one.